Hey beauty lovers, welcome back to Slay with Saray, your go-to place for all things makeup and beauty. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell so you never miss a video. Today, we're diving into a topic that can make or break your makeup game. Common makeup mistakes you need to avoid to achieve that stunning, flawless look. Let's get into it. All right, let's talk foundation, shall we? This is where it all starts, the base of your gorgeous makeup look. But honey, let me tell you, nothing screams makeup mishap louder than a foundation shade that's way off. Choosing a foundation that's too light can make you look like you just stepped out of a ghost story. And trust me, Casper the Friendly Ghost is not the look we're going for, darling. On the other hand, going too dark can make you look like you spent a week baking in the sun. So how do you find your perfect match? Swatch foundation on your jawline and check it in natural light. Don't rely on those harsh department store lights. Take a few shades that you think might work and swipe them along your jawline. Then step outside or find a window with good lighting and really take a look. The shade that disappears into your skin like magic, that's the one. Your foundation should blend seamlessly with your neck and chest. And don't be afraid to mix and match. Sometimes you might find yourself between shades, and that's totally fine. Okay, my makeup mavens, let's talk about the holy grail of a flawless makeup look blending. I cannot stress this enough, blending is your best friend. Harsh lines are the ultimate makeup sin, they scream. I just started wearing makeup yesterday. Whether it's foundation, concealer, contour, blush, or eyeshadow, you need to blend, blend, blend. The same goes for makeup. We want to blend those products into our skin so they look natural and effortless. No one wants to see where your foundation ends and your neck begins, honey. Now let's talk tools. Just like a painter needs their brushes, we need our trusty makeup brushes and sponges. A damp makeup sponge is a game changer for blending foundation and concealer. And for those of you who prefer brushes, opt for ones with soft, fluffy bristles that won't drag or tug on your delicate skin. Remember, practice makes perfect. Don't be afraid to experiment with different blending techniques and tools until you find what works best for you. Let's be real, my brow-tiffle babes. Eyebrows can make or break your entire face. They frame your eyes, add structure to your features, and when done right, they can make you look like you just stepped out of a magazine. But honey, when brows go wrong, they go really, really wrong. One of the biggest brow mistakes I see is overdoing it. We've all been there, right? You get a little carried away with the brow pencil and suddenly you look like you could star in a remake of Angry Birds. Not cute. Remember, less is always more when it comes to brows. We're going for natural-looking fullness, not Sharpie brows that can cut someone with a single glance. Your brows should enhance your natural beauty, not overpower it. So put down the black brow pomade, my loves, and step away slowly. Unless you have naturally dark, thick brows, black can look way too harsh. Instead, opt for a brow pencil or powder that's a shade or two lighter than your natural brow color. This will create a softer, more natural look. When it comes to filling in your brows, use light, feathery strokes to mimic the look of natural brow hairs. Avoid drawing harsh lines or filling in your brows like you're coloring inside the lines of a coloring book. And don't forget to blend, blend, blend. Use a spoolie brush to soften any harsh lines and distribute the product evenly throughout your brows. Chapter 4. Primer Power, the secret to long-lasting makeup. Listen up, my makeup enthusiasts, because I'm about to drop some serious knowledge on you. If you want your makeup to last all day and night, like a loyal best friend who never leaves your side, then you need to make primer your new BFF. Trust me, this is one beauty step you don't want to skip. Think of primer as the ultimate foundation for your foundation. It creates a smooth, even canvas for your makeup to cling to, ensuring that everything stays put, no matter what life throws your way. Whether you're dancing the night away at a party, sweating it out at the gym, or just trying to survive a long, stressful day, primer will be your secret weapon against makeup meltdowns. So how does it work, you ask? Well, my beauty junkies, primers are formulated with special ingredients that help to fill in pores, blur imperfections, and control oil production. Basically, they create a barrier between your skin and your makeup, preventing your foundation from sinking into fine lines, clinging to dry patches, or sliding around on oily skin. If you have oily skin, a mattifying primer will be your new holy grail. It will help to control shine and keep your makeup looking fresh all day long. Look for primers that contain ingredients like silica or dimethicone, which absorb excess oil and create a matte finish. For those of you with dry skin, a hydrating primer is a must. It will help to plump up your skin and create a smooth, dewy base for your makeup. But wait, there's more. Primers aren't just for oily or dry skin. There are primers for every skin concern you can think of. For example, if you have redness, a green-tinted primer can help neutralize those tones. If you want a radiant glow, an illuminating primer can give you that lit-from-within look. And don't forget about primers with SPF, which provide an extra layer of sun protection. So, no matter your skin type or concern, there's a primer out there for you. Make it a staple in your routine and watch your makeup game transform. Chapter 5. Know your skin type. Choosing the right products. My gorgeous makeup enthusiasts, let's talk about something super important: knowing your skin type. Understanding your skin type is the foundation of any effective skincare and makeup routine. Just like you wouldn't wear a winter coat in the middle of summer, you shouldn't use just any makeup product on your precious skin. The wrong products can cause irritation, breakouts, and other skin issues. Our skin is as unique as we are, and just like our personalities, it has its own quirks and preferences. Embracing these differences is key to finding the right products. Some of us are blessed with naturally oily skin, while others struggle with dryness. Each skin type has its own set of challenges and needs. Some of us have sensitive skin that throws a tantrum at the mere mention of fragrance, while others have resilient skin that can handle anything we throw at it. Knowing your skin's sensitivity is crucial. The key to achieving a flawless makeup look is to work with your skin type, not against it. Tailoring your makeup application techniques to your skin type can make a world of difference. This means choosing products that are specifically formulated for your skin's needs. Whether it's hydration, oil control, or soothing sensitive skin, there's a product out there for you. Using the wrong products can lead to a whole host of problems, from breakouts and irritation to makeup that slides right off your face. It's not just about looking good, it's about keeping your skin healthy. So, how do you determine your skin type? It's simpler than you might think, and it starts with a little self-observation. Well, my beauty detectives, it's time to put on our investigative hats and do a little sleuthing. Let's uncover the secrets of our skin. Start by washing your face with a gentle cleanser and patting it dry. This removes any makeup, dirt, and oil that could interfere with your assessment. Then, observe your skin in the mirror. Take note of how it feels and looks without any products on it. If your skin feels tight and looks flaky, you likely have dry skin. Dry skin lacks moisture and needs extra hydration. Dry skin is thirsty for moisture, so look for products that are labeled as hydrating or moisturizing. These products will help replenish your skin's natural moisture barrier. If your skin looks shiny, especially in your T-zone, forehead, nose, and chin, you likely have oily skin. Oily skin produces more sebum than necessary. Oily skin produces excess sebum, which can lead to clogged pores and breakouts. Managing oil production is key to keeping your skin clear. Look for products that are labeled as oil-free or mattifying. These products help control shine and keep your skin looking fresh throughout the day. Chapter 6. Luscious Lips, Prepping and Perfecting Your Pout. All right, my lip-loving beauties, let's talk about how to achieve a pout that's as kissable as a ripe strawberry. A perfect pout can elevate your entire look, making you feel confident and fabulous. We spend so much time perfecting our foundation, eyeshadow, and brows, but sometimes we neglect the one feature that can make or break our entire look: our lips. Beautifully cared for lips can be the centerpiece of your makeup routine. Just like our skin, our lips need a little TLC to look their best. Regular care can transform your lips from dry and dull to soft and luscious. Dry, chapped lips are not only uncomfortable, but they can also make your lipstick look patchy and uneven. This can be a real downer, especially when you're aiming for a flawless finish. So before you even think about applying lipstick, it's crucial to prep your pout properly. This step ensures that your lips are smooth and ready to hold on to color. Exfoliation is key to removing dead skin cells and revealing smooth, supple lips. It's like giving your lips a fresh start. You can use a gentle lip scrub or simply make your own by mixing together a little bit of sugar and honey. This natural scrub is effective and easy to make at home. Gently massage the scrub onto your lips in circular motions, then rinse it off with warm water. This process will leave your lips feeling rejuvenated and smooth. Once your lips are exfoliated, it's time to hydrate. Hydration is essential for maintaining the softness and suppleness of your lips. Apply a lip balm that contains nourishing ingredients like shea butter, cocoa butter, or coconut oil. These ingredients are known for their moisturizing properties. This will help to moisturize your lips and create a smooth canvas for your lipstick. A well-moisturized lip ensures that your lipstick glides on effortlessly. Now let's talk about lip liner. This often overlooked product can make a significant difference in your lip makeup. Lip liner is a game changer when it comes to achieving a defined, long-lasting lip look. It adds precision and helps your lipstick stay in place. It helps to prevent feathering, bleeding, and that annoying lipstick on teeth situation that we've all experienced. No more worrying about your lipstick moving out of place. When choosing a lip liner, opt for a shade that matches your lipstick or a shade that's slightly darker. This will enhance the shape and fullness of your lips. Line your lips carefully, starting at the center of your Cupid's bow and working your way outwards. This technique ensures a balanced and symmetrical look. All right, beauties, those are the top makeup mistakes to avoid for a stunning look. Remember, makeup is all about enhancing your natural beauty and having fun. Avoid these pitfalls and you'll be slaying your makeup game in no time. If you found these tips helpful, give this video a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Comment down below with your biggest makeup mistake and how you fixed it. I'd love to hear from you. And don't forget to subscribe for more beauty tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Stay gorgeous!